Welcome to Graphic Tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to use Photoshop for graphic design. So this is the effective tips for beginners. So if you're a beginner, don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Understand? So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. And also, I will embed link in the description below so that you'll be able to download everything I use for this project. Okay, so let's go. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to create a new workspace. So I will explain everything in details, how I achieved everything in this design. So make sure you pay closer attention to everything I'm going to say today. So let's go. So the first thing you'll do is to create a new workspace. So let's start with a fresh and new workspace. Okay, so this is my workspace. So let's start with a new workspace. So I'm using Photoshop version 2019. So you can use any version of Photoshop you like. All of them will work very fine. Okay, so let's begin by creating a new workspace. So to do so, go to File, New, or you can click on New, all are the same thing. Okay, so let's say how to use Photoshop beginner. Okay, so hit create. So our workspace has been created. Then let's begin importing our backgrounds. Okay, so go to File, place embedded. So I already downloaded everything I use for this project. I will also give you access to download all of them. Okay, so don't worry, or you can go to the description below now and download them. Okay, so let me bring in the image I use for the background. So this is the background. Expand this a little bit, hold shift and fill this space. Okay, press enter. So go to File, Blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, so my blur is in 38. Okay, hit enter. The next thing you do is to bring in the next background. Okay, so I'll be showing you how I did everything in the example I showed you before. Okay, so take this up, press enter, then go to this adjustment layer, add a layer mask, select your brush tool, make sure your far background is in black, make sure this place is in black, while this place should be in white. Okay, then blend this area and this under this under the image. Also blend this place in, blend this place in. Okay, so let's feather this a little bit. Sorry. So this is good. Press Ctrl T for free transform. Increase the size a little. Press enter. Let's save our work first. Go to File, Save. Always save your work so that you won't lose your work if you are interrupted by light or anything. Okay, so this is it. Let's bring in the next background. Go to File, place embedded. Go to downloads. Let me bring this in. Take this down. It will be at the bottom. Okay, press enter. Let's change the blending mode. Let's use this. Let's find the one that will be okay. Change this. This is okay. This okay. Let's check other ones. Okay, this darker color is okay. Let's go with this darker color. Press Ctrl S to save. Let's begin typing in our text. So the first two tests we'll type is the header tests. Okay, good. Let's type worship. Okay, let's say worldwide church of our log. Okay, Control T for free transform. Increase the size, change the color to white, then bring it to the middle, press Control T for free transform, hit enter. So this is good. Let's change the font style. Let's use Nexa heavy. Okay, this is good. So keep it somewhere here. Press Ctrl S to save. Press Ctrl T for free transform. Hit enter. Ctrl S to save. Okay. So go to File, Place Embedded. So let me bring in this church logo. So this should be beside the name here. So double click on it. Go to color overlay. Change it to this yellow color. Okay. So see the color code FFCC00. Okay. Then press OK. This is good. Then shift this a little. Ctrl S to save. So let's type in other text. So let's type in this worship. So Ctrl T for free transform. Hit enter. Let's type it 11. This should be so. Ctrl J to duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate this. Okay. Then change this to 0. Change this to R. Okay. So bring it closer. Hold Shift and select the 3 letters. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then change this to S. Change this to H. Change this to I. Ctrl J. Ctrl J to duplicate this. Then change this to P. Okay, so let's set them very well. Let them be well organized. Keep this here. Keep this here. Keep this here. So select this, and bring it to the middle. Ctrl S to save. So let's change this font style first before we begin applying our effects. Okay, so I'll be using this font. So this big 500. So I will also show you where to download this and also embed link to download it. Okay, so bring this on top of this arrow and W. Okay, so shift this a little bit. Double click on the 0, on the O, sorry. Then drop shadow. So first, let's arrange this and increase the font so that when we begin applying the shadow, it won't be too big. Okay. Then select this tree, take it up. Then select all the layer, hold Shift and select all the layer. Ctrl G to group it. Ctrl T for free transform. Then increase the size. Keep it somewhere here. This should be here. I think this is okay like this. Press enter. Then hold Ctrl, click on the 0 to select it, to the O and to select it. Okay. So if your own is not working, that means this is selected. So if this auto select is selected, you can select this without holding Ctrl. But if this is disabled, then you can hold Ctrl, then select anyone you want to select. Okay. So let's pick this 0. Double click on it. Add a drop shadow to it. So see the strength of my shadow. The opacity is 65, distance 0, spread 0. Okay, distance 10, spread 0, then size 199. Okay, and this is okay. Then bring this together close to it too. I think this is good. Then let's arrange these two. Double click on this layer, add the same drop shadow. You know, as I've already used this shadow here, so any place I'm using this, any place I will be using this shadows, you should have the same property, okay? Because I already set the settings, okay? So let's continue. Let's bring this closer to. So drag it down, let it be under this edge so that the shadow will show. Okay, so let's bring this P close to. This is good. Then hold shift and select the tray. Then set it very well. So this is good. Control S to save. Then let's increase it a little. Control T for free transform, increase it. Press enter. So let's apply the remaining stuffs. Okay, so select the rectangle tool, then draw it. Okay, so select the color, click the white color, then add a layer mask to it. Okay, then pick this gradient tool. Make sure this this one is selected so that it will have transparent at the right side, then black at the left side. Okay, then make sure this foreground is in black, then zoom it in, keep your cursor here, then drag it like this, then go over to this area to drag it. Okay, so this is good. So let's type in our text. Every Sunday 9 a.m. Press Ctrl T for free transform, increase the size, then bring this up, change the color to black so that it will be more visible. So this is good. Then hold shift, select all and group them. Okay, so this area is this team is not in a group. Okay, then Ctrl T for free transform, right click on the layer, select skew, then drag this to this side. Okay, press enter. Press Ctrl T for free transform, reduce it a little, press enter. Ctrl T for free transform, increase it a little, hit OK. So Ctrl S to save. So guys, if today is your first time coming to my channel, kindly go to my channel and subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop new video. If you're already on this channel, please like and share this video. Okay, I hope you have done that. Let's continue. So let's begin bringing in the pictures I use for the projects. Okay, so select this ellipse tool, then hold shift and drag it. Okay, then select this place, select gradient. So I'll be making use of this gradient. Increase the size so that we'll see what we are editing. Okay, so I'm making use of this gradient. Change this gradient, then change it to white. Double click on it, change it to white, then double click on display C2, change this place to white. Okay, control. Okay, this size is okay. Let's bring in the pictures. Okay, go to file, place embedded, bring this in. Then as the image is on top of this ellipse tool, hold Alt on your keyboard, then power clip it. You see as this cursor, you see how the thing is showing a down arrow. Then if it didn't show this down arrow, just click, the image will go inside the circle. Okay, then so that's it. Control T for free transform, press enter. So hold Control, select these two, Control G to group them, press Control J to duplicate it, Control J to duplicate it again, then Control J to duplicate this. So as you select the four circle, then align them to the center. So let's begin changing the pictures. Okay, hold Control, click on this to select this circle, go to place embed file, place embedded. Let's pick a picture. This picture should be okay. So let's pick this picture. So hold Alt, then power clip it inside, clipping mask, create a clipping mask. Okay, then hold Control, select this picture, go to file, place embedded, then import these two, keep it somewhere here, reduce the size a little, then hold Alt, then clip it inside. Okay, Control S to save. So hold Control again, select this circle too, then go to file, place embedded, then select this picture, import it, then hold Alt, then power clip it inside the circle too. Okay, so this is good. So this is the 4 circles, then hold Shift, select the 4 circles, then group them. Control T for free transform, reduce the size a little, press enter. So this is good, like this. Control S to save. So pick your text tool, draw a rectangle shape so that these dummy tests will come up. Okay, so change the color to white. Control A to select it, all these tests, then expand this, expand it. This is good. So select it again, select all, align them to the center. This is just a dummy test. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, it's okay. Then press Ctrl S to save it. Go to file, place embedded. Let's bring in other stuffs I use for the design. So I'm looking for the location icon. So reduce the size, hit enter, double click on the layer, color overlay. So as you have used this before, the setting will still be there. The same thing to that shadow. If you use it in any place, the setting will still be there. Okay, so let's draw. As you select your text tool, draw a line like this so that a text will appear. This is a dummy text. That's what it's called, a dummy text. It will show up. It's a default text. Okay, so this is it. Hold Control, select the location and group them. Control T for free transform. Enter. Control S to save. So let's type in the dates and time. Okay, 20th. Change the font style to this big 500. Control T for free transform. Increase the size. Control T. Enter. Control J to duplicate it. Keep it somewhere here. 09 AM. So this is good like this. Control S to save. So let's summarize the design. Hold Control or keyboard, Shift Alt. As you're holding down through these three keys, press E. Then go to File, Camera Raw. So let's enhance the design. Okay. So increase the clarity. Go to color mixing. Some version of Photoshop, you won't see this color mixing here. You see it around somewhere here at the top. Okay. Increase the reds. Increase this yellow. In green, there's green in the background. These two, blue. Just increase all the colors. Okay. This is good. Increase this highlight too. Highlight too. Hit OK. Control S to save. So guys, this will be the end of today's tutorial. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to attend to your question. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Then turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Okay, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to share and like. See you guys next time. Bye.